You are going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.